Right, step two. So I've got this game and I'm going to start copying little characters and the little bits I need. Starting with on level one, I'm going to need this launcher and I'm definitely going to need a red bird to throw at things. So to get these, what you need to do, you right click on the ones you want and you click export this sprite. Okay, I've already done this once, but make sure you're just saving in your My Documents. You just press OK on this bit. Same with the red bird, right click, export this sprite, make sure it's got the same name, and in My Documents you can just put it in there. Then in your own game, so this is my game here, so that's what it looks like. Where it says new sprite, there's a little folder, and in there you'll be able to find, there you go, there's the launcher, and hopefully the red bird as well. There it is. So you just double click on those and you've got all of those in your game now. The only thing you need to do is to set up the code properly. So at the moment all this code is all over the screen. So firstly, if you right click, click on cleanup and it will just make it a little bit neater. You have to check things like when it says when I receive level 1 start, I didn't call my level one start, I gave it the name level 1. So I'm going to change that to say level 1. This is talking about level 2 here. I didn't make a level 2, so I'm going to delete that bit of code. And then at the bottom here, where it says background number of, that should say stage. If you check the original code, so I'm doing the launch here, can you see it says stage there? So check with the code. It also says equals 4. That's saying that when the fourth background is showing. On my game, level 1, if I go to the backgrounds lit, level 1 starts on background number 2 here. See where it says 2? So I need to make sure instead of saying 4 that that bit of code says number 2, otherwise it won't work. Same with the Redbird. Check the code. So have a look at the actual characters in the game you downloaded. You can see where it says distance to and it says launcher in all of these drop downs. Check that that's copied across because it's not very good at copying across these things. You see it's missing where it says launcher for all these things. But if you change all of those so that they're correct, there's quite a few in here actually, so you do have to be careful. Change all of those so that they're correct, and then you'll be able to test the game and it should work in exactly the same way. So I'll test this now. Oh, just need to do that bit. Forgot to clean up this bit. Right click, clean up, that's better. Right, but if I press the green flag now, if I press on start game, you can see it's got the launcher there. The red bird's miles away on the screen. Really, I should have put it much nearer this launcher thing. But it goes into the launcher and then hopefully you're able to fire it across the screen. So that's how you get stuff from one project with all of its code into your own project. And it should all work there.